Hello CS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Children, do you all remember that last time we had discussed about vegetables and prior to that we had discussed about fruits, right? We had also seen what are the benefits of eating vegetables and benefits of eating fruits. So are you all eating vegetables and fruits? You are eating? Very good. Even if you all are not eating, children, you all should start eating each and every vegetable, because each and every vegetable has its own importance, right? And if you don't eat vegetables, you will fall sick. And if you fall sick, you won't be able to play, right? So children, for being strong and healthy, you should eat vegetables and fruits every day, right? Children, today we will be continuing with our chapter of vegetables. Okay, so let's start. So children, take out your Learn World Around Us book and we will be continuing with our chapter vegetables. Okay, so let us have a quick recap of what we did in our last session. In our last session, we had learned that we eat vegetables to make our meal healthy. As I told you all that eating vegetables is very important because you become very strong and it is very healthy for our body. Okay, so we should eat vegetables and fruits every day. There are many vegetables which are cooked and eaten in different ways. As I told you all that vegetables are cooked and eaten in many different ways. Some are cooked, some are eaten raw also. Okay, some vegetables can be eaten as raw, like salads. Salads we eat raw, like cucumber and everything. We eat raw, right? And we can also cook it. Leafy vegetables are the plant leaves that can be eaten raw. Leafy vegetables are the plant leaves that can be eaten raw. Leafy vegetables can be eaten raw. It is not necessary that we need to cook them. Okay. Now let us see what is next. Some veggies grow underground. See, these all are underground vegetables. Most common ones are potatoes, carrots, onions, radishes and turnips. All these vegetables grow underground. So as we can see, these are the vegetables, they are under the ground. This is the ground, right? It is beneath that, right, below that, and the leaves and the flowers are above the ground, and we eat the bottom portion, that is the vegetables. So it is also known as underground vegetables. Okay, now potatoes, as we all know, that they can be eaten in many forms. They can be baked, they can be fried. We eat french fries, right? So they can be mashed or boiled boiled also. Potatoes can be eaten in many ways, that is baked, fried, mashed, or it can be boiled also. It is a fat stem. Potato is a fat stem. Now let us learn something about carrot. Carrot is a root. Okay, carrot is a root. See, leaves are over here and this is the root actually. It makes our eyesight powerful. Children, carrot is very good for your eyesight. If you eat carrot, then you will be having a wonderful eyesight. Okay. Now, what is this? Onions, right? Onion is an underground leaf. Onions is an underground leaf. We can eat onions raw also, right? So it is an underground leaf as it grows under the ground. Now, it is activity time. Go to page number 44 and let us read what is written over here. Do as per the below guidelines. In this box, you need to draw your favorite vegetable. See, my favorite vegetable is potato. So I have drawn potato. You can draw any vegetable of your choice. Okay. Now, draw the vegetable you don't like to eat. Um, I don't like to eat ladyfinger so much. So that is the reason why I have drawn ladyfinger. You all can draw any vegetable of your choice which you don't like to eat. Okay, but still children, I would say that please eat vegetables every day and you should eat each and every vegetable. Okay, I don't like ladyfinger much, but I do eat them. Okay, because it is very healthy. Each and every vegetable has some or the other benefit. Now go to page number 45. What we have to do in this page, let us see fruity flavors. Let's find out interesting ways to eat fruits. Also take the ones that you like. See, there are fruits can be eaten in very interesting ways. Like we have fruit jam, mango pickle we can eat. We can have pulps or crush. See, strawberry pulp is there, right? Then preserved in a sugar, it can be preserved in a sugar syrup. There is another form of eating fruits, that is dried fruit, that like almonds and everything, right? Sorbets, shakes and juices, we had learned this, right? So there are many interesting ways how we can eat fruits. It is not compulsory that we have to eat it in its natural form. There are other ways also. Now what is written here? Of course, fresh fruits are best to dig your teeth in. Fresh fruits are always good, right? Now, what we have to do is, we have to tick the ones which we like. Okay, now I like to eat jams, so I will be ticking in that. Then I love pulps and crush. And yes, I like dry fruits as it is very, very healthy. And yes, I like juices and shakes also. Okay, you all can take whichever you like, whichever form of eating fruits you like, you can take in that. Okay, now go to page number 46. Let us see some interesting facts about our veggies. We generally use spices to make them delicious. For our vegetables, whenever mama cooks vegetables, she adds spices like chili, salt, then turmeric and everything to make it delicious, right? Then veggies can be eaten in the form of soups and stews also. We drink vegetable soups, right? Like many soups we drink in which vegetables are there. It can be grilled and roasted also, pickled and dehydrated, fried and baked also. So there are many ways in which we can eat vegetables. Okay, now go to page number 47. Again, the time for activity. What we have to do in this we have to give the crown to your favorite fruit and vegetable. Whichever fruit or vegetable is your favorite, you need to give this crown to it. Like my favorite fruit is mango, so I have drawn a mango over here and I have given a crown to it. And as I told earlier, my favorite vegetable is potatoes, so I have drawn potato over here and I have given a crown to that. You all can draw any fruit or vegetable of your choice, whichever is your favorite you all can draw. Okay, now let us see what is written over here. Do you know that mango is the king of fruits? Children, who is the king of fruits? We had learned this, right? Who is the king of the fruits? It is mango, right? So we have to take in yes. Do you know brinjal is the king of vegetables? Yes, we know that, right? Brinjal is the king of vegetables. So our page number 47 activity is also completed. So with this, children, we end our chapter over here from Learn Around Us book, vegetables. So children, do eat vegetables, as I had told you all earlier that it is very healthy and very beneficial for our health. So we should eat it every day, and each and every vegetable we should eat. So very soon we will be meeting in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.